Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Learning. Today's topic is house cleaning. In this lesson, you will learn simple English words, useful sentences, and an easy conversation about cleaning your home. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully, repeat after the speakers, and practice every day. Let's begin. Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. It's Saturday today.
Yes, it's a perfect day to clean the house.
You're right. The house looks a little messy.
We have many chores to do.
That's okay. If we work together, we'll finish quickly.
Exactly.
What should we clean first?
Let's start with the living room.
Good idea.
Can you sweep the floor?
Sure. Where is the broom?
It's behind the kitchen door.
I found it.
Great. I'll dust the tables and shelves.
The shelves have a lot of dust.
Yes, we haven't cleaned them for a week.
After sweeping, I'll mop the floor.
Perfect.
I'm finished sweeping.
Nice work.
Now I'll fill the bucket with water.
Don't forget to add detergent.
Thanks for reminding me.
I'll clean the windows with a sponge.
The windows will look bright and shiny.
I hope so.
Wow! The living room already looks much better.
Yes, it's clean and fresh. Now let's clean the kitchen.
There are many dirty dishes.
I'll wash the dishes.
I'll wipe the kitchen table.
Please clean the sink too.
No problem.
Can you throw away the trash?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The kitchen smells much nicer now.
Yes, it feels fresh. What about the laundry?
The washing machine is ready.
Great. I'll put the clothes inside.
Please separate the white clothes from the colored clothes.
Good idea.
We don't want the colors to mix.
The washing machine is running now.
After the clothes are dry, let's fold them.
I enjoy folding clean clothes.
Me too. It keeps everything organized.
Shall we clean the bedroom now?
Yes,
I'll make the bed first.
I'll vacuum the carpet.
Please open the windows.
Why?
Fresh air makes the room feel nice.
Good idea.
Don't forget the bookshelf.
I'll dust it.
The bedroom looks beautiful now.
I'm getting tired.
Me too.
Let's take a short break.
Good idea.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cleaning is easier when we take breaks.
I agree.
We finished everything.
Yes, the living room is clean.
The kitchen is spotless.
The bedroom looks comfortable.
The laundry is done.
The windows are sparkling.
The house feels fresh and peaceful.
Thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome.
We make a great team.
Yes, cleaning together is faster and more fun.
Let's keep the house clean every day.
That's a great idea.
Excellent job! You have learned useful English vocabulary and everyday sentences about house cleaning. Now it's your turn. Practice this conversation with a friend or read both parts aloud to improve your speaking and pronunciation. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, subscribe to Daily English Learning, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English conversation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!